The Web 2.0 tool I chose to introduce is the Desmos graphing calculator. This tool graphs functions and allows the graphs to be shared and edited by multiple people. Go to desmos.com/calculator. On the left, you can put the equation for your function. For example, you can put a linear function like y equals 2x plus 3. To add different symbols that we cannot type from our keyboard, use the built-in keypad. After the equation is made, the graph will appear on the right. You can zoom in or out and click on the graph to show different coordinates. You can also put sliders into the function. For example, you can put y equals kx plus b and adjust the values of k and b. You can add as many different equations as you want in the same graph. To change the color of a graph, click and hold on the circular button on the left of the equation. You can also make the graph become a dotted line. To delete a function from your graph, click the X button on the top right corner of the equation box. To hide a function on the graph, click the circular icon once. You can add different items onto the graph. So far, we have been using the expression box, which allows us to draw equations onto the grid. Adding a note allows us to write comments. Adding a table allows us to put many points in an organized way. Like equations, we can hide the points or change the color. We can also connect the points with lines or drag the points to various places. Points can also be added to the graph without using a table. To do this, put the point into a new expression box. Press the label button and the coordinates will appear on the graph. Adding a folder allows us to group different boxes together and make our work organized. When creating Desmos art, adding an image gives us a template to trace. We can move the image around and adjust the size and opacity of the image. Press the undo button if you make a mistake. Press the hide expressions list button to hide the expressions and admire the graph. On the right, you can change different settings of the graph. Press the buttons to zoom in and out of the graph. If you have a mouse, it is faster to scroll. The default zoom sets the graph to the default, which is also what we see when first opening the graph. Logging into Desmos allows us to name and save our work. You can also share your graph so you can work on this with a group. The language is changeable too. Lastly, Desmos provides plenty of examples for different applications.